The journey of Kanchipuram silk sarees begins in mulberry fields, where fresh leaves are carefully harvested to feed silkworms.
These nutrient-rich mulberry leaves are collected and transported for feeding silkworm colonies essential for silk production.
Inside controlled environments, silkworms consume the leaves continuously, preparing for their transformation.
Over days, the silkworms grow rapidly, storing energy needed to spin fine silk threads.
Each silkworm begins spinning a cocoon, producing a continuous silk filament that forms the foundation of luxury fabric.
Once ready, the cocoons are harvested with precision, marking the first step toward transforming raw silk into Kanchipuram sarees.
Harvested Kanchipuram silk cocoons are carefully loaded to preserve their delicate filament structure during transport. The cocoons begin their journey from rural farms to specialized silk processing facilities. Maintaining stable conditions during transit is essential to ensure the silk fibers remain intact. Regular checks are performed to maintain ventilation and prevent damage to the delicate cocoons. The cocoons arrive at the silk factory, where traditional craftsmanship meets structured industrial processes.
At the unloading bay, the cocoons are prepared for the next stage of transformation inside the factory. Inside the Kanchipuram silk factory, cocoons are immediately transferred for processing under controlled conditions.
Efficient internal transport systems ensure that raw materials move quickly through the production chain. The facility is designed to balance traditional silk craftsmanship with modern industrial organization.
The first stage inside the factory begins with sorting the cocoons based on size and quality.
Coordination among workers ensures a continuous and efficient production flow throughout the factory.
The sorted cocoons are now fed into the next stage, where cleaning and preparation begin. The cocoons enter a controlled steaming chamber to soften the sericin, making silk threads easier to unwind.
Steam treatment softens the protective layer of the cocoon, preparing it for the delicate reeling process.
After steaming, the cocoons are cooled to stabilize their structure before further handling.
Skilled workers perform fine sorting, ensuring only high-quality cocoons proceed to silk extraction.
Defective cocoons are removed, preserving the consistency required for premium Kanchipuram silk. The prepared cocoons now move into the reeling stage, where silk threads will be carefully extracted.
The softened cocoons are immersed in hot water, loosening the silk filaments for extraction.
Skilled hands locate the starting point of each filament, combining multiple strands to form a continuous silk thread. The silk filaments are reeled together, forming stronger threads that will later become the foundation of Kanchipuram silk fabric. Consistency in tension and alignment ensures the threads remain uniform and strong throughout the process. Drying the threads is essential to preserve their strength and prepare them for further processing. The raw silk thread is now collected, ready to move into the transformation stages that define Kanchipuram silk sarees.
The raw silk threads are now prepared for dyeing, where color becomes a defining element of Kanchipuram silk sarees.
The threads absorb vibrant dyes, carefully controlled to achieve the signature richness of Kanchipuram silk. The threads are rinsed thoroughly to remove excess dye and achieve uniform coloration.
Carefully dried threads retain their strength and brilliance, ready for weaving.
The dyed silk threads are arranged on looms, setting the stage for the intricate weaving of Kanchipuram silk sarees.
The weaving process begins as advanced looms interlace threads with precision, forming the base fabric of Kanchipuram silk sarees.
Each pass of the shuttle interlocks threads, gradually forming the dense and luxurious silk weave.
Pattern control systems guide the loom to produce the intricate motifs that define Kanchipuram silk sarees.
As weaving continues, the silk fabric takes shape in continuous rolls, showcasing vibrant colors and detailed patterns. Automated systems maintain consistent tension, ensuring uniform quality across the entire fabric. The woven Kanchipuram silk now advances to finishing stages, where its final texture and quality will be refined.
The woven Kanchipuram silk fabric undergoes detailed inspection to identify any imperfections in the weave.
Even the smallest inconsistencies are marked for correction to maintain the premium quality of Kanchipuram silk. Expert craftsmanship ensures that each saree meets strict quality standards through precise manual corrections. Polishing enhances the signature luster that makes Kanchipuram silk sarees highly valued.
Clean edges and defined borders are essential elements of a finished Kanchipuram silk saree.
The fabric is shaped into sarees, preparing for final quality checks before packaging. Each Kanchipuram silk saree undergoes a final visual inspection to ensure flawless craftsmanship and design accuracy. Precise measurements guarantee that every saree meets standardized dimensions required for premium quality. Strength testing ensures that the silk fibers maintain durability without compromising their softness.
Color fastness tests confirm that the vibrant hues of Kanchipuram silk remain stable over time. Microscopic analysis verifies the purity and uniformity of the silk fibers used in each saree.
Once approved, the sarees are certified and prepared for final packaging and distribution.
The finished Kanchipuram silk sarees are carefully packaged to preserve their quality and presentation.
Each package is securely sealed, ensuring protection during handling and transport.
Labels and tracking codes are added for inventory management and global distribution. The packaged sarees are organized in the warehouse, ready for shipment to markets around the world.
The sarees are loaded for dispatch, beginning their journey from factory to customers. And this is how modern factories produce Kanchipuram silk sarees, from raw silk to finished luxury garments.